So this is the hill which we are going to trek. So this is Prajot. He is joining us today for this trek.
New joiner,
New joiner. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are planning to do another weekend trek. So this place is about 60 kilometers from Bangalore and approximately 15 kilometers from Doddaballapura. Yes, we are going to trek Makali Durga Hills. This is an all-season trekking spot and the level of difficulty is moderate. At least that's what YouTubers and bloggers are saying. Let's explore and find it out today. We need to book tickets for Makali Durga Trek through Karnataka Ecotourism website. I will share the link in the description. They are charging weekdays 250 rupees and weekends rupees 400 for an adult. It's always good to do trek during weekends as there will be some crowd. Last time when we did a trek to Nandi Hills on a weekday, we were the only people trekking. So it's better to do on a weekend than on a weekday. We have almost reached Makali Durga foothills. Maybe we can find a parking and then we can start our trekking. So this is the huge private parking space. Paid around 50 rupees for parking. And from here you can see this Makali Durga hills. So this is the place where we are going to trek. And this is the place where we are going to trek. And we do have a restroom. So let's begin our trek. This is the hill which we are going to trek. This is the final path for the trek. I think we have reached the top successfully. Hey. Hey Prajod,
Yes, Balaji.
so how was the trek?
Good, bro. Survived somehow. Feeling good now. Now, hopefully, we should get down safely.
Mani, how was the trek?
I think this was better than Nandi Hills and Kaivara Beta. It was good.
Today we have completed Makali Durga's trek, and Prajot, Mani are still alive. So it was a really easy trek when we compared with Kaivara as well as Nandi. But still the rocks were a little tricky. The boulders were huge and it was slippery also. But somehow we managed to climb to the top. And so in few minutes we will start to descend. And yeah. So we are the last people leaving this hill today. Almost everyone left. So it was really again a nice trek. For beginners, definitely I think I should suggest this one. Finally we have started to descend. You can see the arrows to locate the path. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. Take care.